Welcome to the Boostly podcast. We're in season 8, episode 15, and today we are talking about book direct. Why is direct bookings important? Well, just to premise, what has happened over the course of the last couple of weeks is that Airbnb and Booking.com have gone behind hostbacks and refunded, without any prior warning, a large majority of host and property owners' bookings. Damien, if you could just do me a massive favor, introduce yourself a little bit, if you can do, your background in hospitality and a little bit more about your views on direct booking.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Damien. I am joining you from Spain, southern Spain, near Malaga. I am a fierce advocate of the Book Direct movement. I am an SEO by trade. I work in search engine optimization with vacation rental. I've been on lockdown here with my family. At work, proactivity is somewhat restricted. But hey, this is the same for us all. You know, a lot of people are dropping their SEO, so we've got to be a bit more proactive about our work. It led me to think, well, hey, you know, let's not necessarily restrict this to, you know, UK property managers or those in Europe. You know, let's look at kind of getting a global reach here. Now, the coronavirus crisis has obviously changed a lot, so it made sense to do an online event off the back of my event in London, which you're all so kind to contribute to. The feedback was incredible, was so good, and mostly about the content. That the content was fantastic. I thought long and hard about all of those experts out there that could really contribute something of real value and real education. Nearly all of the presenters there all agree that they learned so much of this. If the experts can learn, everyone's going to learn.